In this video tutorial, I show you how I fixed excess WP HTTP request usage that occurred due to database error. So I was getting 1000 HTTP requests to the same domain, to the same URL every day, and it slowed down every page on my website for additional 1 second. So I will show you how I found it and fixed it in this video tutorial. Hello. Recently, while checking HTTP requests manager, I noticed lots of WP HTTP requests to WordPress website from plugin. This happened after updating plugin to latest version. So I didn't know why this happens, and it was 2 requests per page. In 15 minutes I have more than 100 requests, and in 1 day more than 1000 requests. So initially I thought it was a plugin error and they will fix it with next release, and waited a couple days, but I didn't see any fixes, and after checking support forum I didn't see any reports. Nobody was reporting about this issue. So I want to report myself and start to prepare explanation, description for this error. And while preparing it, I noticed that I cannot reproduce this error on other websites that I use this plugin, Rank Mass plugin. So I want to fix it myself and maybe share how I fixed it. So I checked where this request happens. In backtrace, I can see which lines are related to this request. So I checked source code. Here I can show screenshots of it. So this is source code where that request happens, and then I see that request is response from request is saved in database as a transient. So I checked database to see if it's saved and found that it was not saved. So this is a problem where plugin tries to make HTTP requests and then tries to save it to database, and while saving to database it gets an error, and then on next page it tries to get another WP HTTP request, and tries again, and this, because of this error, it's like indefinitely tries to get that response and save it to database. So with every page I have 2 requests, which slows down page by 1 second, and it was not acceptable. So after checking database I noticed another problem, which is char set problem. So you see here that transients are saved in VP options page and database table, and here we see that database collation and char set is UTF-8. So UTF-8 supports only 3-byte characters, and if we want to support full 4-byte UTF-8 characters, then we need to define it as a UTF-8 MB4. In order to fix that problem, I need to convert all tables and related fields of the WordPress default tables, most of them, to UTF-8 MB4 collation. So here is the solution. I run this code for all tables one by one that had a UTF-8 characters. I converted them to UTF-8 MB4 character type. Copied this code and repeated this to convert all other tables as well. And after converting all database tables, and waiting for some time, WP HTTP request is returned to normal. It should be once in every 12 hours. For that, I was able to fix error, and it was not related to plugin, it was related to my WordPress database. By fixing it, all errors disappeared, all that excess WP HTTP request disappeared, and my website returned to normal speed. So I wanted to share it, so if you have similar situation with any plugin making too many requests to external services, then you can check your database and hopefully fix it if it's not using proper UTF-8 character set. In order to monitor your website for WP HTTP requests, you can use HTTP Requests Manager plugin. So I use it, and I am the developer of the plugin. Also, if you want to have a better page speed score, I have a checklist, easy to follow checklist. Then you can download from my website, webpa.com/speed. It's a simple PDF checklist that will help you to achieve high page speed score and make your website feel fast for your website visitors. Also, you can find more WP HTTP debugging case studies on playlist. I will put a link in description. Thank you for watching and subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you in next videos.